Lake is a freshwater lake in Nepal, located in the south of the Pokhara Valley, also known as Badam Lake. It is the second largest lake in Nepal after Rara Lake and the largest lake in the Gandaki province in terms of water resources. It is the most popular and most visited lake in Nepal. Phewa Lake is located at an altitude of 742 meters and covers an area of about 5.7 square kilometer. Its maximum depth is 24 meters. The maximum water capacity of the lake is about 43 million cubic meters. It is about 28 kilometers linear distance away from the Annapurna range of lakes to the north. The lake is also famous for its reflection of the Machapuchre Himal and other mountains of the Annapurna and Dhaulagiri ranges. The Tal Barahi temple, located in the middle of Phewa Lake, is the most important religious monument in Pokhara. Tal Barahi temple, also known as Tal Mandir or Barahi Mandir, is a Hindu temple of Barahi Devi. It is the most important religious monument in Pokhara, Nepal. The temple is located on a small island in the middle of Phewa Lake. Since the temple is located on a small island, the only way to reach it is by boat. The temple is a symbol of the manifestation of Ajima, which represents female power. Devotees visit the temple during the Nepali months of Vaishakh, April to May, and Kartik, November to December. Devotees especially come to worship the goddess Barahi during Dashain. Below are the legends associated with the Barahi temple. Long ago, there was no pond. Instead, there was a large settlement in the place. One evening, an old yogi went to this settlement and went from house to house asking for a place to stay for the night. An old woman agreed to take him in but said that she had nothing to eat except thotoko roti. He happily ate the food and slept on the porch. Before leaving the next day, he told the old woman that the area of the settlement was shrinking underwater, so he should move to a safer place. The yogi's prediction came true and the settlement was submerged, forming a large lake. However, the old woman managed to escape. Later, in 1467 AD, she died. After her death, people started worshipping the idol of Khair. Heavy rains brought some parts of the idol to the current location of the Tal Barahi temple. On the same night of the rain, King Kulmandan Shah of Kaski had a dream in which he instructed to install the idol in the middle of the lake. Then he established the Tal Barahi temple. Another story about this temple in the middle of the lake is this. In the past, the idol of Tal Barahi was installed somewhere above the lake, Magthum. When the water level started to decrease, there was a heavy rain and the goddess floated in the middle of the lake. It is believed that the goddess prefers to live in water, so she floats in the current location of the temple. The dream of King Kulmandan Shah of Kaski to build the Tal Barahi temple is also followed by this story. Phewa Lake originated from the unification of the Harpan River and the Khare, Andheri River, which flow from the same area. Therefore, there is some truth and factual information in the legends of the formation of the Tal Barahi temple. The temple of Tal Barahi is a two-story pagoda-style temple. It is situated amidst many species of trees. In the past, the temple was a small hut made of mud, with a thatched roof and a small door in the shape of a window. The temple was reconstructed in a grand and beautiful area by King Mahendra in 2017. The renovation project was led by Overseer Engineer Ram Bahadur Shrestha. Chairman Hikmat Kumwar says that the engineer himself heard that the project was completed for only 80,000 rupees. Since the earthquake of 2072 BS also caused some damage, the complete construction of this temple is currently being done by the Kaligads of Bhaktpur. Tal Barahi Devi is believed to fulfill the wishes of her devotees with a pure heart. Therefore, we can find many devotees who visit for good health and happiness. Many offer offerings as a token of gratitude when their wishes are fulfilled. In the past, there was a practice of Paanch Bhakal, where people used to sacrifice 5 species simultaneously when their wishes were fulfilled. However, this practice is no longer continued.
Camera drill man. Camera gari khechna lada. Aise thom makenga jimuku. Thom makenga jimuke. Kone ya?
हाम्रो टिसना छ
Tisna staff lo tisna free salinu.
यो हातमा लिएर बनाइयो
La hai. Paraiko yatra.
कोचिङ सो केवल काट्दा हुने उनीहरूको केवल काट्दा हुने अहिले उनीहरूको प्याराका
Camera drill man. U camera chinga man. 4K camera. Biswa Sanji Stupa.
ल मलाई त तामाङ हुन्छ अब कहाँबाट आएको बहिनी नवलपुर हामी काठमाडौँबाट आएको यो बहिनी तामाङ
Wow, sudah ada ke bangki muka? Sudah baca hul. उसमा फेवातालको तालबाराई मन्दिरको मर्मत कार्य भइराखेको रहेछ अर्थात् पुरै पुनर्निर्माण भइरहेको रहेछ जहाँका कालीगरहरू अथवा कामदारहरू हाम्रै साथीहरू अथवा भक्तपुरबाट गएका रहेछन् यसरी मठ मन्दिर बनाउने कालीगरहरू भक्तपुरबाट माग्ने गरेको पाइन्छ हामीले घुमेको धेरै जसो मठ मन्दिरहरू भक्तपुरका कालीगरहरूको मेहनत गरेको देखिन्छ हामीले स्वागत स्वरूप उहाँहरूले आफैले ब्ल्याक टी पकाएर पनि खुवाउनु भयो खला नभन लोखो दिएको त खला यसमा त अचिन्ता दासियो भए भन ऊ खासे ढियो देख्यो नभए फ्लङ सिस्टम भएको म यथा दियो देखि म भक्तपुर मन्दिर सती मेनमा दियो है मरु दियो देखि मैले भक्तपुर सती र
मेन जो आना तो पटेगा मेन जो ठीक है सेम मछली
अझै वो अठोमेगा सालरको टमाटर लो मलाई जो
खोज्या सुर्या गुल्डेरा 6 मिनट ला बुढी टाइम लगे जिखो खेन मरु 2-3 वर्ष लगे जिला जिमुखला या फास्ट छ ते प्लान्सी गुल्टी युज पुके ढो लागि छु प्लान युज होला दुध या मुखला थो अग्रा दिएको छु अग्रा 5 पौन्ड लग
दाजिमन दानि मुखला
तो लोने लो
भन लोटो दतो छु
दाजिमन
भन लोटे दतो
वो लोन ला दो
पछि साइज मिले जो लोन लगौँला
फिनिसिङ त पनि लोन लगा छोडेर
बिस्तारै घुमेर ए नानु नाचौँ भजन गाउने नाचौँ ए नानु यहाँ नाच्नुपर्छ झिब्रा सानमा ल नाच नाच ल नाच
नाच्यो